A sadhu, the first qualification is he must be a staunch devotee of Krishna or God, whatever you say. That is sadhu. That is the basic. That religion means to abide by the orders of God. That is religion. And sadhu means who is staunchly a devotee of Krishna. These are the description of sadhu. Therefore, sadhu sangha means to associate with devotees, those who are devotees of Krishna. That is sadhu sangha. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu in another place says, sadhu sangha, sarva shastre kar. Lavamatra sadhu sanghe, sarva siddhi hai. Sadhu sangha is very important. If we can associate with real sadhu, means real devotee, unadulterated devotee, anna vilasita sunnam jnana karmadana, then the recommendation is that simply by associating with sadhu, all perfection will come.